Hey, Dr. Thomas. My name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and today I'm going to go over 3 things that you could start doing today to help grow your customer base. I work with the local business owners to help grow their business through numerous digital strategies and other SEO techniques. And I've found that by giving people a free, easy attack plan that they can do themselves has given some of those local business owners the trust to have in me to help grow their local business and company. So, if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard, and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and I'm good at SEO and my digital strategies, then we can set up a meeting and you can just give me a call. Or, if at the end of this video you simply want to take all these strategies that I give you today and implement them yourself, I'm cool with that too. So, let me not waste any more of your time and go over 3 things that can help set you above your competition. So the first thing I always want to talk about is content. So looking here, it is a nice looking website, but I wanted to take it and plug it into a tool I use called SEO Quake, as you can see. And you're looking at about 900 words that you have on your homepage. Now Google has actually released that their algorithms are looking for a minimum of 1,500 words on a homepage, and I would recommend you have even more than that. Around 2,000 is a good spot to start. So just right out of the gate, that's one easy thing that you can do. Now, upping your content isn't going to make you jump all the way from the 4th page to the 1st page, but it is going to help you to start growing in those rankings slowly but surely. Now, I looked up just Tampa Orthodontists, and one of the top competitors of yours is Blue Wave Orthodontics. So I took their company as well, and I plugged them in SEO Quake, as you can see, Blue Ortho. And they have 2,100 words, almost 2,200 words on their content. So that's just so you know on their homepage that they do have more content and is explaining one reason why they're on the 1st page. It's not all about the quantity of the content. Quality is a huge piece, which leads me to my second point, keywords and keyword density. So when you first type something into Google, the first things you're going to see are ads, but people are paying for those ads. So the next best thing is to be in the good organic listing right after those. And then one of the ways that the Google algorithms crawl the pages and make the ranking is based on the keyword density. So as you can see here, Blue Wave Ortho has Tampa 26 times, orthodontics 13 times, braces 13 times, and some of those words right there are things that people would often search for, like I did, Orthodontic-Tampa, or orthodontist in Tampa, and as you can see, 26 and 13. We could take a look at yours. You do have braces and orthodontics, but you're missing some Tampa. You have Ritchie, so I'm assuming a Newport Ritchie area. So just when you're creating that content and upping your content over the 1,500 minimum, ensure you're thinking about these keywords. But Google also knows that there's people who just stuff keywords in there to try and make them rank up. So you want to make sure that it reads naturally and that you're not overusing keywords. Now, the reason the keywords are so important are because basically keyword research is very prevalent, and what you want to see is how much they're looking. So we type in orthodontist, and just the state of Florida alone, you're looking at 33,000 searches. And some of these other similar keywords right here, you're close to 50,000 searches. Now I know it's the whole state of Florida, but even just a fraction of those clicking on your website is a mass number of potential customers that you could be missing out on if you're not doing good keyword density. Now, the third thing I want to talk about is the most important in Google's eyes, and that's going to be your backlinks and your strength of your website. So right here we use a tool called Eris, and this is Blue Wave Ortho, and they have a strong domain rating of 20 and a UR of 35, and that's mainly driven off these backlinks. Now if we look at yours, you have a DR of 4.4 and 23. So this is mainly your trust area. So what that tells me without having to dig into your backlinks is unfortunately some of these backlinks are spammy, or they just aren't relative to the dental or orthodontic genre. So when Google does look at these, they do look at the backlinks and the relevance because they want to make sure that people aren't just throwing a bunch of backlinks. And this quantity is important, but quality is king. They want to make sure that you're getting backlinks from good websites as well as websites that have to do with whatever it is that your business does. So you wouldn't want one from Pizza Hut. So making sure that you have good, strong quality backlinks can easily help your traffic flow you get to something more in this range than in the current range. So in closing, let's go over what we discussed really quickly. We discussed having a good amount of content and good quantity content on the front page of at least 1,500 words. Secondly, we discussed the quality of the content via keywords and having those good keywords so that you can ensure that when people are looking for things, your website is one of the first to be ranked on Google. Lastly, we discussed the importance of backlinks and how you want to have something more like this in the power and trustworthiness of your website than your current, and so that we can make something like this look more like this. Now, if you implement the strategies we discussed today, you will definitely start growing in the organic Google listings. However, if you want to take these and implement them yourself, I'm totally cool with that. But if you want a more effective route and you want to see what else I can do and other strategies I have, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.